Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. So if you guys are new here, hit the subscribe button so you guys can be notified when I go on my channel again. And today, as you can tell by the title, we are dipping into a blue eyeshadow palette. So I should preface this by saying this is for a friend of mine. She has been like a second mom to me, and she posted on her Facebook the other day a video of her using blue eyeshadow, and I was like, you know what? You would love this eyeshadow palette. So I sent it to her, and I'm not sure if she purchased it yet or not, or if she was wanting to, you know, in the future, but I decided to make a video solely inspired by her. I call her my Mama Lanker, and she is my mom's best friend, and she's like a second mom to me. So I decided to do this video for you, Mama Lanker. So today we're going to be using the Blue Moon palette from Colourpop. This is one of their monochrome 9-pan palettes, and this is just the blue. So I thought this eyeshadow palette was going to be perfect for, you know, anybody who's interested in just blue eyeshadow in general. So we're going to be playing with this eyeshadow palette today, and I want to show you guys, you know, how you can create a really cool blue eyeshadow look. So I already have my face makeup on, but we're just going to dive right into this palette. And I'm going to start playing with some of the more matte shades. And the first one that I'm going to, you know, start with is going to be Starry Eyed, which is this like cerulean blue. It's not really cerulean blue. It's more like a very light blue. The Fine China one is more like cerulean blue. But Starry Eyed is what we're starting out with. We're going to brush this, you know, up where the crease is, but we don't really have a transition shade. So this is going to be my base blue color. It kind of reminds me of a cloud, not necessarily moons, but it reminds me of a cloud. I already feel like I'm dipping into like the 90s and the 80s with my makeup. That's not a bad thing. So next thing we're going to use is Clued In, which is this like navy blue color here. And I'm going to just kind of like do it on the outer corner first. This is all matte, by the way. So let's try it here. It's a very like tiny fluffy brush, so hopefully I can get some precision with it. This shade is actually a little bit lighter than what I thought it was going to be. I thought this was going to be like super navy, and now it's looking more cerulean than it is navy. So you can tell a difference. It's definitely getting more smoky on this side. We're looking fancy already. So next I'm going to take a pointy brush, and I'm going to use Billie Jean. And this color name totally reminds me of Michael Jackson. Billie Jean is not my lover. So we're going to put this on the outer corners, like right here and right here. We don't want to put it right in the middle because I have a feeling I'm going to put something else there. But this is going to add like a halo eye. That's so pretty. It's a very pretty blue, almost like silvery blue. So we're going to clean off this brush. It is the one that I used for the like foil shade, and then we're going to use this one. It's called Lumi. It's a white iridescent. This goes right in the middle of the lid. I'm going to just take a little teeny tiny flat brush and use Lumi again and put it on the outer corner. Inner corner, not outer corner. We're putting this on the inner corner. Then we're going to take that huge fluffy brush. I want to buff this right here so it's kind of more seamless. Then taking that teeny tiny little crease brush, we're just going to use the excess eyeshadow, and we're going to go underneath and into the lash line, kind of like dragging the color with it. And then I'm just going to clean it up a little bit. So we're going to take my beauty blender and just kind of wipe away some of the excess blue that really shouldn't be there. Okay, so this is what the eyeshadow is looking like so far. I'm going to spray my face just to kind of like set everything again. So we're using the Fini Natural. This is the Photo Focus Natural. Fini Natural. This is the Natural Finish Photo Focus setting spray from Wet n Wild. Tell that one's running low. Then I'm going to use the In Studio Mechanical Gel Pencil. This is in black. So it's a mix between like a liquid and a pencil formula. I'm going to do my under lash line, just kind of fill it in a little bit here, like so. Just kind of giving it a little bit of depth, a little bit of more grunge instead of like pop of blue. And this is just in the waterline. Then I'm going to just do a thin line on the top. Very short strokes. So you can see a difference between each eye. One is a little bit more defined, but it's not like hugely defined. And then to finish everything off, we're just going to put on some mascara. This one is the Essence Volume Stylist Lash Extension Mascara. So we have a bold eye, and to finish this look off, I just want to do a really natural, subtle lip. So we're using a nude lip color. It is the perfect nude lipstick to just kind of like tie this all together and not go too over the top with your lips, because your eyes really do speak for themselves. So what do you guys think of the finished blue eyeshadow look? Let's look, because I mean, I think it's like super bright, super blue, obviously. Really enjoyed the iridescent color more than anything. Like that iridescent color was super, super fun. I think the foil reminds me of some of the shades in the Smoke Show palettes as well, where they really have a great payoff when you have like very little on your brush. The Billie Jean one was very, very surprising. And I really like the blue. They're very pigmented. They go easily on your skin. So the Blue Moon palettes, here is a cute little quick tutorial for you guys. I feel like I could not go out on the town, but I definitely feel I could incorporate this into some sort of like Halloween makeup look. And I could definitely use this eyeshadow palette and probably dull it down so it's not so like over the top and dramatic. But this is kind of what I was like feeling tonight. I mean, if you really like the blue, then you could definitely do a whole like blue everything like this. But I definitely think for like more of an everyday, I would probably do like muted blues in this palette. I don't think I would do like Iridescent blue, but it's definitely a great blue palette. So here you have it, guys, the Blue Moon palette from Colourpop. This retails for like $12, and sometimes they have a coupon, so you can get it for like $9. Really great deal. Very pigmented shadows if you really like your blue shadows. And shout out to my mama Lanker. I hope you are watching this video. It is for you. And I'll see you guys all later. Bye.